People who have difficulty swallowing their food now have a wider selection of options, including their favourite local dishes. Some Alexandra area hawkers are learning how to prepare modified versions of their offerings to such patients. Such a move could benefit some 15% of the elderly population. Shalincia reports.
Fancy a bowl of sliced fish bee-hoon, but can only eat small bites. People with the condition known as dysphagia can now enjoy such dishes in a blended form. Patients like 90-year-old Wee Sian Leong, who has trouble swallowing food because of dementia and cancer.
It's more food that he is accustomed to, because I think when he's familiar, he feels more safe. Someone who is not robust or young or in a good state of health needs to have food that will boost up their energy or their appetite.
Alexandra Hospital roped in 17 hawker stalls in Queenstown across 2 food centres to modify their local treats.
Now, decals like this have been put up at participating stores, and diners who wish to order the modified food will just need to tell the hawker which type they require.
Whether it's chopped, minced or blended. The hospital began training the hawkers in August to provide discharged patients with more food options. Every year, around 350 of Alexandra Hospital's patients get dysphagia. It arises from conditions like stroke, Parkinson's disease or general aging.
When they discharge from us and they come out to the community, they realize that, hey, they don't have the availability of such consistencies. So when I see them at my clinic, when they come back, they will say that, is this okay? Can I eat that? How should I do it? My patients, they do want to eat this kind of food, like char kway teow, carrot cake, fish soup.
The response from hawkers is encouraging, and they're going the extra step at no charge.
They know that many of them came in families whereby there's elderly and young. It's good to have this kind of service to these patients, and they are able to enjoy the same flavors around the table.
There are plans to expand the service to all 4 hawker centres in Queenstown by next March. MP for the area Eric Chua says he'll raise this issue with colleagues in Parliament in an effort to reach out to other towns in Singapore.